So guys, we are doing Sakuna versus Gojo, the real fight. Our guy, the bald guy will be Gojo. This guy, Sakuna, he will be Sakuna. This guy will be Mahoraga, and I will be the robot guy. I don't know what he's called. I don't want to be the robot actually. I mean, sorry. Give me awakening. Give me awakening. Give me. Okay, Gojo is going to have awakening and infinite cooldown, and we are only going to have awakening. Like no, I am a puppet master. I am stuck between two walls. I am stuck between two walls. Someone help me. Never mind. Let's start the battle. Let's start the battle. I can solo Sakuna. I'm solo. I'm soloing Sakuna right now. Sakuna is almost dead, and I soloed him. I mean, Gojo is almost dead. What? Everyone come in between. Everyone come here. Bro, I'm the robot. Aslan is Sukuna, and the other guy is Mahoraga. Give awakening to everyone. Sam, give awakening. Say the main lines. Say the main lines. Aslan, say the main lines. Cool down. Cool down. No cool down नहीं चाहिए. No cool down नहीं चाहिए. बस awakening दे दे. Mahoraga just say the main right Sakuna. Never mind. I'm soloing Gojo. I'm going to solo Gojo. I'm going to solo Gojo. Oh bro, why am I in your domain? Why am I in your domain? I'm going to get cooked. You're in my team! Bro's cooking his own teammates. I'm awakening. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you first and do anything else. Domains are not allowed. Domains are not allowed. Domains not allowed. Domains not allowed. Kill Gojo. We are the villains. Just kill Gojo. You are the main villain. Kill Gojo if you can. We are ready. Fight. Fight Gojo. Where is Gojo? Hello Gojo. Oh, I'm dead. No domains allowed. Bere. No domains allowed. No domains allowed. What did I do? Repulsor red. ये ले. Wrong guy. Sorry, wrong guy. Hello purple. मुझे ही मारेगा. I'm killing. Never mind. I'm killing Sam alone. Sakuna is no use. Sakuna is no use. Sakuna is no use. Actually, Sakuna is no use. Just die, Sakuna. You're no use. Sakuna is no use. Sam, get aside. Get. I will cook him without transformation. I don't have transformation no more, but I'll cook him without transformation. I'm going to cook Gojo. I will cook Gojo without transformation.
I will use domain.
What did I do? Gojo, why do I don't have awakening? Gojo gave us awakening. Give us awakening, Gojo.
Why will you guys attack me? Huh? I'm trying to open it. Who guys?
Everybody leave. Everybody leave Sakuna alone. Gojo alone. I'll kill him.
Gojo is my brain, not yours. It's Gojo versus Gojo. Nobody died.
Shut up. I'll kill him. He's my.
Hello, Gojo. What is this?
Hello, Gojo.
Gojo! Gojo!
Gojo killed Sakuna.
Gojo!
We cooked the domain. Oh, never mind. Oh, why? I ran from the domain. How did I come in the domain? I need to use abilities here. Someone died. Gojo died. Gojo died. Gojo died. Hmm? What's on the
Guys, why is that not leaving my screen? Guys, why the game is not leaving my screen? Can somebody explain why?
No.
Time, Afra, why is the game not leaving my screen? Search on YouTube how to get out.
He'll tell you to get a brain. Bro, this guy has a Taimu version of Reversal Red. Miracle Cannon.
You wanna go?
Yeah, you got.
Find the domain.
I'll try to kill his domain somehow. Pigeon Voila.
RIP.
I killed domain. Now I'm dead. Follow nuke, follow nuke. Shit, run, 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 run. Bro, use hollow nuke.
I am playing JJ.
How did I go underground? Bro, I'm going to become Sukuna. Our Sukuna is no use.
No.
Give me awakening. Give me awakening. Give me awakening. Bro, we are using domains because he's not. He's also using domains.
Yes,
How did I die before my domain even got here? Give me awakening. Give me awakening. Bro, the normal guy is Yuji, and when after awakening he becomes Sukuna, right? Gojo. Sukuna है ना? Sorry bro, wrong guy. I got the wrong guy.
Guys, what are we doing to make class
Let me kill Gojo real quick. Bro, why is my domain expansion not working? Domain clash. या मेरी डोमेन ये गोजो मर गया गोजो died I killed Gojo. Bro, in the anime does Gojo die?
Oh hell no. Time for Mahara.
अभी सोच में महाराजा अभी मर जाएगा अच्छा मैं नहीं मारूंगा वो बना
I punched it to that. Hello Yuji. It's the same thing almost. Cut. Bro, why did that not hit you? I'm following Gojo. What are you guys doing? Sai, what are you guys even doing? I'm about to die. I'm following Gojo. Why are you guys doing a 1v1? Mahoraga, do something. Mahoraga, do something. Mahoraga, I'm getting cooked because of you. Yeah, I got cooked. Give me awakening, give me awakening. Marshoda, you died, you came back to life somehow. I am using a new character I never used before. This is actually good. Let me tell, what are you realize? I don't know. My sisters are dead. That was you, wasn't I? Oh, this is a cutscene. Collapse. Is it a domain expansion? I don't think it is. What is this collapse thing do? Oh, never mind.
To cheat. Body Awakening's limited death.
survival game है.
Honestly, true.
Where is Sam? I mean Gojo. Gojo. Jogo. Jogo want a. I'm dead. I'm Jogo is in a cutscene. I'm killing Jogo in his own domain. I killed I named him Jogo. You got a problem with that? He's Jogo now.
Yeah,
I know. I know who he is. I know. He Gojo used him as a football as well.
ये वो पूरे
Awakening there, awakening. Awakening there. रुक जा.
versus
Awakening.
नहीं वो
Awakening, please.
अच्छा
Awakening. Bro, what is this Mahoraga guy doing? Dropping elephants. I pulled down my bandama. Let's do it.
क्या तो वो कर रहा है.
Oh hell no. What the hell? You used your domain, that thing. You used your. I know what you used. Infinite Void. My only chance. Oh wow. Yeah, I wanna run away. I want to heal. क्यों ना भागूं?
Hello.
Hola. मेरी डोमेन है. किसकी डोमेन है?
In their domain, they get paid.
मेरी डोमेन. I killed Gojo. Gojo dead.
ये सारे फेयर दो छोड़
फिर खेल रहे हैं.
नहीं फेयर
Bro, I have an idea. Sakuna, use your domain. Listen, Sakuna use your domain and Gojo will use his domain in Sakuna's domain. What will happen there?
कोई समझ नहीं.
Sakuna, someone becomes Sakuna. Time Infinite Awakening दे. Time Infinite Awakening दे. मैं कुछ दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. यार मैंने कुछ दिखाना है. I want to show you something. Domain expansion करे कोई Sakuna बन के.
अच्छा
Infinite Awakenings दे. Awakening खत्म हो जाएगी मेरी. चल सही है. A domain expansion. Do the domain expansion. Now in your domain, I will use my domain. What will happen? Nothing happens. This is cheating. In the anime, when Gojo used his domain in Jogo's domain, the Jogo's domain was destroyed. Bro, I watched it. Now seriously, Jogo's domain was destroyed. Who else has domains? Horaga doesn't have domains. Give me awakening. I am him. Now I am becoming him. Give me awakening. I am becoming him. Awakening day.
फेयर खेलेंगे फेयर।
फेयर ही है ना, तेरे पास भी अवेकनिंग है, हमारे पास भी अवेकनिंग है, फेयर है।
पास नहीं है मेरे पास नहीं है।
आई यू श्योर अबाउट दैट?
कूल डाउन।
कूल डाउन दे दे, कूल डाउन।
अगर ऐसे
अगर सिर्फ कूल डाउन।
मारना उसको नहीं। Get outside of us. Go, my dog. Go, go. What are you doing, dog? Bro, why isn't my dog working? I need him to work overnight.
यार
Kill Jogo.
हो जाओ।
Whatever. Shut up.
अपनी कॉल
Shut up. Shut up, you. Shut up, you too. Shut up. Nobody come close to me. My dog will kill you. Okay, you want to do that, huh? I'm bringing out my big guns. New, come.
Your fingers aren't doing anything.
Bro, my new attacked you. Fuck. Get out, both of you. Get out. Don't come close to my master. Toad, go. Kill that guy. New, your time. मैं न्यू ही नहीं निकली. न्यू जा. Good. New again.
यार
New.
अपने उसको देख रहे हो?
Aslan, where is Aslan? Did Aslan leave?
Maybe
Aslan left. Aslan left.
टोटो ले और ठंडा हम इसको मारते हैं।
Bro didn't give us infinite awakenings, did he?
टोटो लेके मारते हैं।
Hello. Bro, my elephant ain't working. My elephant has a problem. Just drop, bro. Just drop already. Yeah, my elephant dropped on you. I'm going to drop elephants now.
Like I used to do. You get awakening, bro.
Actually, instead awakening was way better.
Stop smashing me. I'm beating you up, you know what?
Now I'm using Neem. अभी ये कौन है? New battle. Bro, what are you using, Saim? Bro, using a fake version of Mahuraga. Bro, what the hell is that? He's the real Mahuraga. He is the human Mahuraga, right?
Nope.
Who is
Let
that?
me show you. You can turn it.
How to turn into man? हाँ आ रही है ना, बैरन ही हम. आ रही है.
हाँ जी, आ रही है.
Toad spamming.
Kill me. Someone kill me.
Okay, come. As you wish, my news will kill you. Both of you, actually. Don't come close to me or die.
Rabbit is scared. Just everybody's just hitting me right now. Okay, I died. Okay, thankfully now I can maybe transport. If you push 2 and 3 together, then you'll get those frog things.
If you do what and what?
If you push 2 and 3 together, you get those frog things.
2 and 3 together, you get what?
The frog things. Well, give me no cooldown.
I'm not getting the frog things. I'm pushing them together. I'm getting nothing. Bro, which character are you actually? Which character are you? Tell me the name of the character. Tell me the name of the... I'm going by.